Hello, good people. I hope we are all well today. I'm well myself, I'm grateful. For today's tutorial, I bring you this one here. It's a chain. It is the most tight chain in the group of chains. Now we have learned the triple chain, double chain, and single chain. Now this one, the smallest, the tiniest, is called half chain. Some people call it slip, stitch, crochet because of the way it is being done, and it's used mainly for tightening things. Like here is the one used to tighten these two, whatever you tighten it, it's not spreading. Tightens here, spreads here, tightens here, because it's small and so tight. So you find it in many patterns, just there in between, whenever you need to tighten some part of your pattern. See, like this. Yeah. So let's see how it is being done. I'm going to use this thick yarn so that you see properly. And I'm going to chain like a few here. Yeah. Let's chain. We chain one. You see, every time we chain, every time we want to make a chain, we have to yarn over like this before we pull inside here and make a chain. And we do this to all chains that we make, like this, like this, like this, like this, and like this, and we make as many as we want according to what we are making. Now with the other chains, we yarn over and come back here like this. Oops. And come here, and yet yarn over and come here. only to continue yarning over and finishing. Now for this small one, this half chain, it's called half. That is the better name I can give it myself. I would stick to that, although it's also called slip stitch crochet. But it's because when you do this, you don't yarn over here at all when you're starting. You just go from here like this. You go straight to the place you want to make your half chain, and you yarn over the first time here. The first time you yarn over here. And that's why you always have two here for this half chain. And then yarn over and finish. So remember, you don't yarn over here from the beginning like the other chains, the other 3 chains. You come straight from here after finishing with that. You come and create another one here direct, like this. It's only that you yarn over under, like here. This is the first one you chained. You come back here and then you yarn over after you have already made these 2. You always have 2 here. And when you yarn over, you just finish. You see how low it is? Doesn't go up at all. Because we don't yarn over here. We go straight and yarn over under there, like that. Another thing to remember is that you always have 2 here, and not 3, not 4, just 2. And then you finish like that. And this is how it is. That's how this one is done. 2, you finish. You don't know yarn over here, you just go down, yarn over there, come here, and now have 2, and you finish. You don't yarn over there, come here, go like this, and now what we are making here right now is half chain or slip stitch crochet. A slip stitch is also another term used in knit when you're knitting, but that one is different. But I think they have the same, because they have the same manner where you just go halfway. You don't finish the whatever you are doing like the others, so it's always halfway. Like this one, we don't do this, the others do. This one we are not doing it. Yet when we come down here, we do like the others. And we finish like the others. So it's halfway. That's where it's called half chain or a slip stitch crochet. Slip stitch in crochet by going halfway. Yeah, it doesn't go the other how the others go. And you do like that, and whatever you want to tighten, because you have to be really wishing for things to be tightened like this, they don't move. You use that stitch and chain. Like here, when we want to tighten this, see, you are making many things here, many lines, many chains. You have chains and you want to make this one. This one is, in particular, is It's a pattern by itself, but then you have to use this half chain to tighten the chains you want to make. For instance, here now you make like 1, 2, 3, and then you come here. You want to continue being here, so you don't chain. You don't chain at all when you're starting. You just come straight here like this, only now to chain, and do it like that. Chain again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you come here. You don't chain. When you're coming down, you come straight here and do like that out chaining at the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you don't chain. You come straight like this, straight like this, and then you go in, you come out, and when you come out you have 2 here, only 2. That's what you finish, just the 2 you have there, like that. So it's very simple and very useful. You see how it is being used here and there and everywhere you want to tighten things. And that's how it is done, people. And I hope now you understand, and you'll be using this one for your patterns. This half chain or slip stitch crochet. Until the next time in my video, I wish you well and stay safe.